Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis. So before we do that, quick reminder of our $1 million challenge. This is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So you can join us for as little as $9 a month. Details in the description below. Today's stock analysis is for ticker symbol ILUS International. This is a stock that has been featured a few times on the channel, and for quite recently was also featured in my video where I covered the top 10 penny stocks to hold in 2022. I also covered ILUS in a detailed due diligence video quite early on when it was going through a strong bullish momentum phase. So please refer back to the previous video where I covered ILUS International in more detail. So if anybody's not aware of the company, quick reminder in terms of the company profile. So from the website here, for anybody who's not aware of this company, we can see that ILUS International is a public M&A investment company operating out of New York, London and Dubai, and it's focused on adding shareholder value through innovation and growth. So the company's vision has evolved with the needs of technology in manufacturing sectors. It's primarily focused on innovative emergency services, life safety and related technologies such as response vehicles, electric utility vehicles, specialist vehicle conversions, disruptive firefighting equipment, wearable technology and related software solutions. There has been some developments with regard to this company, and I think right now we're going to have, before we look at the developments, would now like to have a quick look at the chart for ILUS. So on the screen now you'll be able to see the 1 month chart for ILUS International, and what you can also see here, the stock has generally been trending downwards quite significantly. On a high it was recently at 51 cents, but on the month the stock is currently down approximately 33%, and on the close of play on Friday it closed down just in excess of 1% at 0.2599 cents. So it is a stock that's trading currently on the OTC. They do have plans to trade on the Nasdaq. We can, however, see a little bit of bullish momentum towards the end of close of play where the RSI is jumping close to 70. There have been some developments, so let's now have a look at these developments with regards to ILUS. So on the screen here we'll be able to see some of the key shareholder letter highlights from January the 12th shared by JP Blackwell. So let's have a look at the some of the key catalysts shared here. First bullet point at the top, the company have announced that the first and second phases of the astronomical European deal have both been approved. So again, very significant there. Full details of which can only be legally announced after all of the contracts have been officially signed in the Parliament of the respective government. So again, the good news with regard to this is no official announcement. It is again suggesting that this is a huge deal. So what that potentially means in terms of the shareholder value and potential price is we can still expect a significant spike once this is announced. So potentially a good stock now to watch before this announcement has been confirmed. So moving down below, confirmed that they are still very much on track to achieve 4 big pieces of news in the next week or two as they head into the shareholder annual general meeting on January the 28th. So again, significant date for our diaries there, January the 28th, not too far away. The company is also working in the final stages of completing the acquisition of a virtual reality fire safety software company. And further down below, some of the other key highlights here in terms of the UK. UK acquisitions is already agreed and will be completed in first quarter 2022. And finally at the bottom, they also have an existing E-Raptor 6x6 vehicle which has been completely redesigned and expected to roll off the production line in Europe towards the end of the first quarter. So what's important about that? That is going to give the company significant revenue with also opportunity to gain profit as well. And the second part of the highlight, some of the other key bullet points that I'd like to focus on here. Second bullet point down, the subsidiary Bullhead Products is currently working on a 120 vehicle conversion order in Texas. So good news there, as well as a separate $1.2 million vehicle contract in Mississippi. Third bullet point, they've also won the case of cancellation of 40 million shares, and this will be reflected in a new transfer agent update after completion of all of the planned cancelled shares. So again, good news there. The fifth bullet point down, $100 million revenue acquisition is still going through the due diligence process. So again, a huge potential catalyst there. January the 28th meeting we already know about. And the next bullet point, a potential shareholder dividend lockup plan is currently being considered by ILUS. So that's quite unusual for an OTC stock, but again, certainly good news. And if we look at the very bottom, we can see here the key catalyst is the company is in the process of transitioning from a small OTC company to something much greater. And I think we know what that greater is. That is NASDAQ. And the next thing I'd like to share with you is an official tweet from the company. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see a tweet from January the 14th, 2022. And the company have stated here, ILUS, congratulations to ILUS_coin for being listed on CoinMarketCap. So again, great news here. We're going to have a look at this potential new catalyst shortly, but they've also said here, we will always deliver, stay tuned. And the second follow-up tweet there, we have received confirmation from our next acquisition that the signed completion documents can be expected soon. This and more to be announced through the wires next week. So again, a little bit cryptic, a little bit vague, but again, a strong indication that something big is coming. What I'd now like to do is have a look at this angle here with regards to the ILUS coin. So on the screen here, you can see from the website, we can see key headline here from ILUS, and that is hold a stake in the next exciting cryptocurrency. ILUS coin is an innovative crypto that works 24/7 for the coin holder, earning rewards around the clock by providing technology and life-saving equipment to people that really need it. ILUS is now trading on PancakeSwap and LA Token by using the links below. So the next question I'd like to address is, what is the ILUS coin? So on the screen here, we can see from the official website, ILUS coin is a BEP20 token brought to the market by a strategic alliance between the public company ILUS International Incorporated, trading on the OTC, and Total Capital, which is an innovative boutique finance company operating out of Hong Kong, Panama, and Dubai. And the final thing I'd like to know with regards to the coin is how many coins will be in total supply. So on the screen here, we can see official response from the company. There will be a total supply of 100 million coins. Check out the white paper on how the coins will be utilized. So that's not a huge amount of coins compared to many of the other cryptos. So again, certainly interesting and potentially a huge catalyst for the company. And let's finish off by having a look at the chart again. So in terms of a reminder, we can see it was fairly flat on the Friday, just down just approximately 1%, closing just below 26 cents. So from open market on Tuesday, I do expect a little bit of volatility. There is a chance that this could come down possibly to 24-23 cents. But I also expect a strong rebound in the stock. And I think with this new January the 28th catalyst date and all the other catalysts going forward, I expect a strong bullish momentum, strong rebound in the stock, possibly reaching in excess of 50 cents within a few weeks. So a great opportunity to buy in again. And finally, if anybody would like to get advanced notification of DD for such stocks, join us in our Discord for as little as $9 a month. This also gives you an opportunity to join us on the $1 Million Challenge as well. Details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.